Okay, this is a quick demo on how to use the shapebuilder tool and then the livepaint tool to color my object. So I've got a series of overlapping geometric shapes and I want them to weave in and out of each other. So in order to do that, I'm going to take the strokes that I've created and go up to my object, drop down and click expand, and I want to just expand my stroke. And now I see that I have my strokes expanded. So I'm going to take my shape builder tool from the left hand toolbox, and I'm going to create my overlapping shape. So in this case I want my circle to go over the triangle, and then it's going to go under the square, and then it's going to go over the triangle, and then the triangle is going to go over the square, and then this is going to go over, and this one is going to, so that's going under this, over that, and under this. Okay, so it looks like I've got everything lined up. So now I'm going to use my live paint tool, live paint bucket, to paint my geometric shapes in different colors. So the first thing I notice is that when I have my live paint bucket and I get close to something that I want to paint, I have to click it to make it a live paint group. And now if I look at my swatches panel, I'm going to open up my swatches panel and pull it off, that I have my fill set for black, and I see where my black color chip is, and if I use my right arrow key, I can see that my little chips in my paint bucket are changing in relationship to where the swatches are in my swatches panel. So I'm going to decide what color I want for each one of these shapes. So I think I'll pick yellow for my triangle, and I'm going to come over here and make that triangle yellow. And then I'm going to switch this to a different color, maybe blue for my circle. So now I can hover over and I've got this light blue. It's matched to my swatches panel. And then I'm going to navigate and make my square pink. So my square is pink, and so it looks like everything looks really good right now. I have, when I hover over my strokes, I do see that I have a paintbrush. If you don't see a paintbrush when you hover over your strokes, you'll need to double click on the paint bucket tool and make sure that you have paint strokes selected. Since I do, I'm just going to leave that. And so now what my goal is, I'm just going to paint an outline around each one of, or around the total outline of my combined shapes. And this is not something that I could do if I didn't have the live paint tool. I would not be able to paint the strokes individually. So I'm going to make sure I'm talking to my strokes. Let's just go ahead and make that black. I'm going to make this 3 points, and I'm just going to very quickly go around and touch all of my strokes around the outside, and that looks like it's done. And now I've used my black selection tool to click down, and I see that I have the effect that I want.